Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to link tasks in ClickUp. So I'll go ahead and open up one of these tasks. Let's say task 1, right? Once you open this up, you'll see a plus icon here at the right, right? Click on this to add the link. If I come down here, you can see add relationship. Click on link task, okay? Now from here, you can go ahead and search for a task, or you can click from one of these right here. So let's say task 2 is linked to task 1. And once I click on that, there you go. You can see we have a linked relationship, okay, for task 2 as the one for task 1, right? I hope that makes sense, right? Can do the same process here. Can link another task as well. Let's click on the plus icon, and then we can link task 4 as well. So we have 2 tasks linked to task 1. And it's really that easy.